Welcome to our new video. So today I'll be showing you how easy it is to upload reviews from AliExpress in bulk using Automizely. Great, so let's start. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is we download the CSV template. Great, now we open it. So for the first section, you copy the last part of the product URL. In this section, you write down the rating, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in the second section, you write the name of the author, the person who wrote the comment. And then the third field is meant for review content. For example, whoa, amazing product, I love it, and so forth. In the next section, you enter the country code, show them where the location is. And then here you write the email address of the reviewer. And then on the next section, don't forget to mention the date of the review. And then the rest of the parts are for pictures and videos. Unfortunately, we only support MP4 and Vimeo videos for now, but our team is working on making more formats compatible very soon. So now let's choose a product, like for example we'll choose Lenovo headphones in this example. So just like I said, we copied the last part of the product URL and we paste it in here. Next we go to the rating case. We write down, say for example, for now we say 5. And then we write down the author's name, which is Rahul. And then for content, we copy and paste the comment. And then for author's country, we write down the country. So for example, here we say USA. Then we write the email address of the person who wrote the review. And then finally, we write the date. Great, and so next we'll upload something like a photo in the photo URL, and here for the video in the video URL. So what should you do if there is no video or photo URL? Simple. If you've got no photo or video URL, then you create your own video and photo URLs from Shopify settings. So we go to the settings, we click on File, click Upload Files, click Desktop or the location your file's in and click Upload. Same goes with the photo, click on Upload File again, upload the photo and boom, the photo is uploaded. Okay, perfect. Now we can copy and paste video and photo URLs in our CSV file. To do that, just copy the picture link and paste it in the picture section, and copy the video link and paste it in the video section. Now we can download the file. So click on File, Download, CSV. And we upload the CSV file that we just downloaded right now. To do that, let's go ahead and click on Upload CSV. And done. Now we're going to receive an email, like an email for confirmation to see if we received it. Perfect. We just got the email. So now let's check out if that worked. So this was the review we were looking for. Let's just see if it appears on our product page. So we go to the product page and find out if our review is at the bottom. Now let's go ahead and scroll down. Keep scrolling. And perfect. This is the video review we were looking for. So you see now there's the comment, there's the video, and here is your video review. So now you guys know how to import your own review. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye.